Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the smelting furnace, all the materials you need, and how to place it down in Windrose. To begin, we want to open our map, and firstly to find clay, you want to go ahead along the line where the sand meets grass. This is the most probable place to find clay nodes. Secondly, you'll need some stones, which you can find on the ground anywhere, or you can mine some bigger rocks with a pickaxe. Now, lastly, to place the smelting furnace down, press the B button, then click on the right mouse button, and in the crafting and utilities, you want to scroll down into refining, and here you'll see the smelting furnace, on which you'll need 15 clay and 30 stones. Click on it, and with the scroll wheel, you can position it, rotate it however you like, and with the left click you can place it down. So this is gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.